going to be making easy bread. There's only 4 ingredients: warm water, yeast, salt, and flour. Easy. So first you need to get 3 cups of warm water. And that's 3. Okay, so next we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of yeast. One, 2. Next, 1½ tablespoons of salt. That's 1. Okay, and now for 6½ cups of flour. And I count out loud because sometimes I forget where I am, and it's just easy to remember when you're counting out loud and you know what you said last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then for that half. There it is. Snowing. I am covered in flour. Okay, time to get mixing. All I can see is flour. Nothing else. One of the easy things about this is that you don't need to knead the bread. You just need to mix it. Need to mix. Okay, looks like we're about done. So next we're gonna need to cover it in plastic wrap and then let it sit for 2 hours. I think this is too small. Okay. Perfecto. Boom. Now that's it for 2 hours. Okay, you ready?
Ready.
Oh my goodness! It's like risen so much. Look at that. Oh wow. Oh. It's very, very sticky and soft. For the next step, you're going to need cornmeal and flour and a pan, a baking pan. So first you sprinkle the cornmeal on the pan. You can just do this and then spread it. Okay. And then you gotta sprinkle some flour on the table. And now you pour this out. Ah. Okay. Now I guess you can make one big loaf, but we're showing 2 loaves this time. So we're gonna split it in half as best as you can. I'm like ripping it like paper. Okay. So now we got 2 loaves. So we want to have a tight top for this bread. So we want to form it into a ball by pulling the bottoms in. I'm just gonna keep pulling and pulling and pulling until you know that your top is nice and tight. It's probably about good. Ta-da! Now for the next one. Ta-da! Now we want to pack some flour on the top. And cover it with a towel for 40 minutes. And we wait. The oven has preheated to 450 degrees. We are ready. Oh my goodness. So first we're gonna cut, I guess, a design into the top. So here goes nothing. Now, you do not have to do this design. I'm just making it what it is. There we go. Okay, now we're gonna put it into the oven. For 30 minutes. Oh, it's ready. Oh, look at that beautiful bread. It's hot. Now it's time to share it with some friends. I've currently got with me my brother Asher, as you know him from almost all the other videos. And then I've got my 2 friends here, Mercy and Promise, and they're my official taste testers, or surprise guests. Something like that. Okay. Warm.
Mercy.
You want to feel it? Come over here.
I'll let you feel it.
There we go.
Okay, first we're gonna smell it. What does it smell like?
Bread.
Yeah, it
Oh,
smells like
delicious
bread.
Really? Oh, it smells like delicious bread. That's a surprise.
Okay, sniff. Wait.
Okay.
Okay,
Three, 2, 1.
The inside is soft and the outside's pretty thick. Like,
Yeah, the outside's crunchy.
and the inside's pretty soft. It gets crunchy and then soft.
This is good stuff. They're crumbly though. Wow, that's tough. I love it. It's amazing. The most amazing bread I've ever had. And because of COVID, we've been doing this a lot recently.
Making bread.
So yeah. Well, anyways guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
And
Bye!
see you next time.